every Friday this Lent.
Good idea.
You know, just a little road map of the city and fish sandwiches. Yeah. And see what comes up.
The fish fries are always good in Marysville. There's a couple of those that take place, and
so good.
Good to take those in.
If you're headed out for dinner tonight, batten down the hatches. It's going to get real windy.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful outside at the moment.
The sun felt great today.
At the moment. Here it comes. Take a look at the map. There is a huge storm in the middle of the country right now. This is a giant low pressure center that, you see the big comma shape here? That's the low up here. So New Orleans down here in Louisiana had some very strong storms earlier. Some of that continues for part of the evening tonight. There have been some tornado warnings here in parts of Mississippi. So that part of the storm has severe thunder. This part of the storm has blizzard warnings. So this system is big enough that we have severe winter weather up here and severe spring weather down here. So it is going to get very windy across a lot of the Midwest, and that rain is going to be lifting up through the Ohio River Valley and into Ohio for the night tonight. We'll have some gusty winds to go along with that. For now, we are still dry, and that will continue for the next few hours. Clouds are thickening up already, but it is mild. 65 degrees at John Glenn Columbus International Airport with a breeze out of the south, 15 miles per hour. So it is going to stay very windy through the evening. Your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions in Lancaster at 66, Marysville at 60, Athens and Caldwell still at 67 degrees. But the wind is starting to pick up. We've got 22 mile per hour wind gusts here in Columbus, Mount Vernon at 21 miles per hour. And a wind advisory covers the metro area pretty much all the way up and down the I-70 corridor and the 75 corridor. So make sure that if you're going to be driving anytime tonight or early tomorrow morning, you're prepared for those gusty winds, because you'll definitely feel that while you're driving around, especially on east-west roads. For the night tonight, by 10 o'clock or so, some of this rain really begins to get going in central Ohio, and it'll be on and off heavy through the night tonight. Little pockets of downpours, but the wind is going to be what you might notice even more, because 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts are possible, and that's why that wind advisory is in effect until 5 o'clock in the morning. Then during the day on Wednesday, here's this southerly breeze, so that's going to help keep us warm again. But as that low pressure center scoots through Chicago and heads up into Ontario, the wind will start to change directions. It's going to drag a little trough through here, and that will then bring the wind in from the northwest. And when that happens, this changes over. So we're going to end up with some wintry mix and snow showers by Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Accumulations don't look like much, but you might have a few slick spots early Thursday morning. The wind is probably the bigger issue, because even during the day on Wednesday, even without the wind advisory, we're still going to get 40-plus mile per hour wind gusts, and it will get very, very difficult on some of those roads, because you're going to have to hold on to that